got some new taillights for the 4Runner, some Morimotos. They're smoked out, kind of complete that blackout look, I suppose. Shouldn't be that bad of an install. These look pretty beefy, but I think all you need for the install is a 10mm socket and I believe a pry tool. Should be pretty simple. So we'll head out to the garage and knock this out. A while back I did the Laminex all around the top here and down here, and for a long time it's perfectly fine still. I just wanted to change up the look a little bit, so I'm going to upgrade to these Morimoto taillights. So the first thing we're going to do, we're inside the trunk. There should be a little slot here. Take your pry tool, wiggle it in there. That should pop right off. That will give you access to the 2 screws, and you're going to want to unhook that. There's a little push tab right here, and you'll just push on that, give it a pull, and that becomes unhooked. The next thing we are going to do is take out these 2 screws. So now that your 2 screws are undone, you're going to want to take your tail light. You want to kind of pull on it. And it comes out just like that. I'll probably go ahead and clean up this area before I install the new tail light. So now we have our new tail light. I went ahead and left the plastic on there just to kind of protect it while I'm putting it in. But there's a little slide-in tab right here that you're going to want to slide against. And then these 2 will go in here, and the other one goes down here. And then your 2 bolt holes. So go ahead and feed that through. Now that we have that back on there, we just got to put our nuts on the bolts, plug it in, replace the cover, and we're good to go. Take this, plug it in, tighten these down. So everything is hooked up. Take your cover with the 2 tabs. 2 tabs go on this side. And that side is done. So here's a look at the new tail light. Smoked out compared to the other one. Here's the stock one with the blinkers on. And here's the new one with the blinkers on. Here it is with the new reverse light compared to the old one. And obviously the Toyota doesn't like being in reverse without the car on because you can hear it beeping. Here are the stock brake lights, and here are the new brake lights. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. The other side is the exact same thing, so I'm not going to show you how to do that twice, but I'll show you the finished product. The reverse lights look pretty bright. I did have aftermarket LED reverse lights in my previous taillights, so they might have possibly been a little brighter, but that's to be determined whenever I'm starting to drive at night. So other than that, I think they turned out really well. Very simple and easy to put on, so you shouldn't have any problems if you get them. But thank you for watching.